guys, Sherry Fox, and welcome to What the Fox. We are a do-it-yourself channel, so let's go see what we can get into today.
Yes!
How about we replace a ceiling fan today? Whether it's indoor or outdoor, it's just the same concept. The first thing we want to do is cut the circuit breaker to the light. Now let's just remove our bulbs and globes. Now that we have removed the bulbs and globes, let's go ahead and remove the fan blades. This is called a canopy that covers the motor. Depending on how your fan is made, you will probably see a couple of screws close to the ceiling. Just remove these to remove the canopy. As you can see, this is an outdoor fan. If you are changing an outdoor fan or light, you may want to spray it just to make sure there's no wasps or anything hiding up in the canopy. Depending on how your ceiling fan is made, it's either going to hang on a ball hanger or a J-hook. This particular fan hangs on a J-hook, so we are going to allow it to rest there temporarily until we can disconnect the wires for easy removal. Now we can easily remove the mounting bracket. Most of the time when you remove a light, you will see three wires: a hot black wire, a bare copper ground wire, and a neutral white wire. However, if your light has been wired to operate the light on one switch and the fan on the other switch, you may also have a red wire. Make sure you have a fan box that is secure. If not, you're going to need to install one. Install your mounting bracket using the screws provided.
If you are installing an outdoor fan, just make sure and get an outdoor fan that has the outdoor blades. Because as you saw previously in this video, the fan that we took down, the blades were completely warped. That's just due to the environment.
And the fact that it did not have outdoor blades. You want to pre-assemble your fan according to the manufacturer's directions. The fan we are installing today has been moved from a prior location, so the fan blades are already attached because we were able to remove it without removing the blades. But typically the blades are installed towards the end of the installation, so just make sure and follow your directions when installing these. Allow your fan to hang from the ball hanger or the J-hook while you connect your wires. Don't forget to slide your canopy over your down rod if your instructions require it before hanging your ceiling fan. Let's go ahead and wire nut the white wire from the motor and the white wire from the ceiling together. Then simply wire your green wires, which you may have two, to your bare copper ground wire. If you do not have a red wire coming from your ceiling, then you will take the blue, which is a light wire, and the black motor wire coming from the unit and connect it to the hot black wire coming from the ceiling. If you do have a red wire coming from your ceiling, you will connect the blue light wire to the red wire and the black motor wire from the unit to the hot black wire from the ceiling. Make sure all wires have been secured with a wiring nut and black electrical tape by placing it over the wires and the nut, like so. And now we will just coil and tuck our wires up into the box. And now just secure the canopy according to your manufacturer's directions. This is typically where you would install your fan blades according to your directions if they haven't already told you to do so. This fan did not come with a light, but if yours did or you are adding a light, you will just remove the cover and expose a blue and white wire. You will simply connect your black wire from the light to the blue wire from the motor, and your white wire from the light to the white wire from the motor. And then secure the light according to your manufacturer's directions. Now we are ready to restore power to our light. And it's just that easy, guys. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your new fan.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, or at least found it useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe. There's a little button right here. There's another one right there. But when you hit that little button, don't forget to click on the bell. That way, when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. This is Sherry saying you guys can do this easily. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into What the Fox. Until next time, take care.